This is Jeannie and welcome to the Glass Studio. So a few years ago I made some little glass uh, garden stakes and I made, I don't know, 3 or 4 of them and just kind of left them in the garden, and this one survived. Some of them got, I don't know, if they fell over, they got bumped, they got, but this one survived, and I thought that it was really cute. Well, the other day, one of our students said, "Oh, I would love to make some glass garden stakes," and so I showed her this one. She says, "Perfect, that's exactly what I want." And so we talked about fusing, about how you had to have the right coefficient of expansion in your glass so that they don't crack. We talked about how you have to have a double piece of the background glass, and a little bit about temperature and annealing. And so she cut out some really cute little ones like this. Very cute. Well, I also talked to her about how when you do warm glass, you sometimes have to live with disappointment. And we have had a lot of things crack as they're coming out, especially since when it used to be when we ordered glass, it was all the same coefficient of expansion because we ordered it from one company. But now it all comes different, and so we have more of a problem of cracking. So I told her that beforehand. I briefed her. We talked about it. And so we put them in. Beautiful. They were so cute. Now is the moment of truth. So we're going to open up this kiln and see what happened. Oh, look at that. They're darling. So she used little pieces of stringer for the seeds of the strawberries, and she cut these tiny little pieces of green for the leaves on both of them, and they came out really well.
Do you think we had too high of a temperature? It looks to me like you really melted those.
I guess we could have, so if we make some more, how about if we turn the temperature down more? What do you think? But how cute. And that is going to be so cute. You just have to really be careful when you pound them in. You just kind of put them in the ground. But they turned out. They are adorable, and I love them, and I think that she will love them too.
And is that a tomato or a strawberry?
This one's a tomato. The strawberries have seeds.
Okay.
And it's shaped a little different too. So cute. So that's what we did in the studio today.
Primer. You got to have this. Just stick it on there. This is a hake brush. And this is, I read a week or so ago, it's like 1 to 5 mixture.
With water?
Yep. See, so. Okay, now you're my 2 students who are going to make your own sweater.
Can't wait.
So I'm going to have you both work on this. So here's the mold. We'll put it right here. And you just
like drip it in, or
kind of paint it in. You kind of stab it in place.
okay, and it's okay to touch it outside.
Yeah, you want to get it right in there. Go right ahead.
Right, I'll finish this
So
one.
you want it to kind of be like the full liquids.
Well,
Fill it up, kind
it's
of
it's just a coating.
thing? Okay.
What's going to
kinda
happen
absorbs it.
here is once it's done, it'll dry,
Okay.
and then we'll fire it, and that once it's fired, it won't be pink anymore. It'll be gray.
It'll be gray.
So it'll be this. It'll be this kind of a color.
Okay.
Go, Sydney.
And yep,
Okay.
there you go.
Cool. What's this brush called again?
It's a hake brush.
Hake. Okay, I've never heard of it.
It's the people who make them call them hake brushes. I think there are other things that can be done with them. And just get right in there and stab it in place so that it gets covered. And then it's all right to brush it across the top of the mold too.
Okay. Kind of like this? Or like over
Right
the
on
whole
top.
thing?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
like this?
Sure.
Oh,
Won't hurt it a
Oh.
bit.
yeah. Nice.
Okay.
Okay.
I know there's some powder. Just cover the powder, maybe.
How's that?
Good.
There's
Did I
some
get
in
it?
the corner right there.
Let's see.
It's on this side of the brush. The powder. It
Yeah, I
keeps
was like, where did
dropping.
that come from? Oh.
Okay, well. You think we got it?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, well, you saw how it was all dried up in the bucket before, so
Okay.
now we'll just let that after it's dried, then I'll throw it in the kiln and we'll probably fire your garden stakes, so we'll see how that works.
Use it. Okay. Fun fusing stuff.
So I think you're gonna love it.
So there it is, all ready. It's in the kiln and all ready to get fired.